Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage Park Slim petrol lighter advertising NITREX nitrogen products, this lighter does show some imperfections, small ding or dent there on the bottom of the back, scuffs, scratches, etc. I said it was a Park lighter, and just out of habit I assumed it was, and it was made by Park Industries, no doubt in my mind about that. But it is simply marked made in USA on the bottom, and I have had several full-size Park lighters that way. I don't recall if I've had a slim that was just marked made in USA. The insert, aluminum construction, is not marked on this side, but is marked on the other. Precision made by Park Industries, Murfreesboro, Tennessee, USA. You can see that the insert is nice and clean, has some minor dust contamination. You see the original wick still present there. Some minor bleeding of the plastic into the felt pad, and some contamination of dust and other debris in the wick, so it is a little discolored. Otherwise, the flint tube is clear and did not have obstructed flint in it when I got it. You can see there that tube is clear. So this lighter would just need to be fueled up and have a flint installed, which there will be a flint included in the packaging when this lighter is delivered. If you were to buy this from our eBay store, nice clean insert with, as I said, a wick that is a little dusty. This lighter is a brush finish front and back, anodized aluminum. It's got more of a slick kind of satin surface or finish on the top, bottom, and spines of the lighter. Four-barrel hinge that is riveted to the case. Nice and clean. There are some scratches present on the windscreen from the lighter opening and closing. It is possible that I have contributed to some of that. Some of them just don't ride down in there perfectly. Some of them it's unavoidable. And this particular lighter does seem like the lid is so tight, which it's not really, I don't know if tight's the right word. It's just so held in line that it is a little cockeyed. Doesn't exactly close without the insert in place to force it closed. Graphic is, looks like two colors. NITREX in green, the nitrogen products in black, the arrow pointing off in two different directions being in black, and then I'm not sure if that's like a liquid droplet. Looks kind of like an upside down teardrop, or the back of an alien's head. So all together here we got three colors: the silver of the background, the green, and the black of the graphic. I want to make sure and give you a good view so you can see all the blemishes, dings, dents. I would probably categorize that as, I mean, in a lot of other places on the lighter you might call it a ding, but right there you can kind of see the way that the lighter swings low. So I would probably call that a dent. Small one. Very nice. Slim, lightweight, and it may just say made in USA on the bottom of the case, but the insert makes it clear that this is a Park Industries lighter. So I was beating myself up for the assumption, but even though I should have looked at the bottom of the lighter before I started the video, I had already seen that that insert was marked to know that we could safely call this a Park. But anybody with any amount of experience with them would know too, regardless of what it's marked or if it has any markings at all, that this is a Park lighter. Until next time.